Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the teeny little Preemie Beanie. This is a crocheted beanie for newborns. There are 4 sizes ranging from 2 pounds all the way up to 8 pounds. This is a great little hat to make up a bunch of and donate to your local NICU or pregnancy center, or gift to a friend. For this project, I'm using Brava worsted weight number 4 yarn. This is 100% acrylic yarn. It's very soft, easy to wash and take care of, and great for little newborn beanies. And I have an H5mm crochet hook. I have a Furls Streamline wood hook. I'll link both of these in the description. You'll also need a measuring tape and some scissors. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for the start of this beanie, you're going to want to make a magic circle. So I wind my yarn around twice, and then I stick my hook underneath that first loop and pull the second loop through like so. And then I pinch it and pull it off, and then you have your circle. So now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to work 10 half double crochet stitches around that circle. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook around that circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So I'm working around the circle. Yarn over, insert my hook underneath that circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So that's 2 half double crochet. I'm going to continue on until I have 10. And as you can see, I'm kind of keeping my fingers pinched around that circle just to keep it from coming undone right here. So now I'm going to take the end of my circle, the very beginning of it, and I am going to pull. I've done my 10 half double crochet, and now I'm just pulling, and that closes it up tight. You're going to want to give it a good firm tug so that it'll close up real tight. And then I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to insert it into my first half double crochet that I did, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through that first stitch, and then pull through the loop I have to make a slip stitch. And that completes my round 1. So I have 10 half double crochet, and I've joined to the first stitch with a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1, and we're going to increase at this point for round 2. So I'm going to work 2 half double crochet into the first stitch. And then I'm going to do 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. So I'm going to have a total of 20 half double crochet stitches. All right, I have completed my round 2, which is 20 half double crochet, and I've joined to the first with a slip stitch. So for round 3, I am going to increase again. We're going to increase by 10 stitches. So I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. And then I'm going to repeat that all the way around. So 1 double crochet in the next, and then I'm going to do 2 in the next. 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next, and repeat that all the way around, and you'll have a total of 30 half double crochet stitches. All right, I've completed round 3, and now we're going to do round 4. I'm going to do the 4 to 5 pound size. So we're going to increase by 10 for that one. So we're going to go up to 40. So we're going to do basically the same thing. We're going to chain 1. We're going to do 1 half double crochet in the first, and then 1 half double crochet in the next. And then we're going to do 2 half double crochet in the next. And then 1 half double crochet in the next, 1 half double crochet in the next, 2 half double crochet in the next. So we're going to repeat that around, 1 half double, 1 half double, 2 half double, all the way around, and we should have a total of 40 half double crochet stitches. All right, I've completed round 4. We have 40 half double crochet and I've joined to the first with a slip stitch. So now we are done increasing for this size, and we're going to just do 1 half double crochet around in each stitch around for round 5. So I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to do 1 half double crochet in the first and then 1 in each stitch around. All right, I've completed round 5. I did 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. I have 40 half double crochet. So now we are going to get into the body of the hat. And for the body of the hat, the only difference that there is from round 5 is that you're going to be working in the back loop only. So I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to lift my circle up a little bit so you can see there's 2 loops of each stitch. There's a front loop and a back loop. Front loop is the one that is closest to you, and the back loop is the one furthest from you. So I'm going to be doing my half double crochet stitches in the back loop only. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook into that back loop only of the first stitch. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And I've worked my half double crochet in the back loop only. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook just into that back loop, not both loops. So when you do both loops, it looks like this. When you're doing the back loop only, you're just going into that back loop, that loop furthest from you, and you're going to yarn over, pull up a hook, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to do 1 back loop only half double crochet stitch in each stitch around. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. All right, I've completed round 6. You can see where that front loop did not get worked into. It creates this nice little line right here. And so that just gives it a little added touch of texture. So for rounds 7 through 10, we are going to repeat round 6. So we're just going to chain 1 and do 1 back loop only half double crochet stitch in each stitch around. So I'm going to do rounds 7 through 10 now, and I will meet you once I finish those rounds. All right, I've completed my 10 rounds, 7 through 10, which was a repeat of round 6. And now I'm ready to do the last round. So for the last round, we are just going to be working single crochet stitches, just kind of give it a little trim to finish it off. So we're going to chain 1. We're going to work our single crochet into both loops. We're no longer doing back loop only. So we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch around. All right, I've completed my last round, round 11, and now I'm going to fasten off my work and weave in my ends, and I will have a completed teeny little preemie beanie. This pattern, like I said, comes in 4 different sizes, from 2 to 3 pounds to a 6 to 8 pound hat for like a regular term newborn. It's very simple. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.